Today we're going to bring a leash, training leash. It includes the collar, which has a built-in battery, and it has Type-C to charge. Also with the actual walker handle, which handles a lot of weight. And it comes with the actual leash itself, which is a nylon, if you guys see. It's like a bungee cord. Very strong, durable for any kind of dog you have, large or small breed. Now, they do include a couple of different kinds of setups for larger or shorter hair dogs, and right now we're putting the long ones because my dogs are a little hairy, so we got to put this in here. And then of course the leash itself and covers, plastic covers. These are silicone covers that you could cover it up. They give you instructions are included. Power button, we're going to turn on the power button here. Once you turn on the power in here too, you got to also turn the power on this one. Hold it down or click on it and it turns on, if you guys can see it. On this one you hold it down, it turns on as soon as, and you're going to see a message says hello, right? All right, you get the message here. It tells you how much battery you have, and then you actually have this. This interacts with this, all right? So your dog's going to be carrying this around. You're going to hook them up to the leash itself, all right? And they also include another one here, if you guys can see. If you don't have one, they include one too, and you could attach the attachment in there too. And it has the actual holder too, so you can actually walk them too, all right? And it has a ring here. Now, the best thing I like about this is that they give you a tester, right? All right, we're gonna test it out right now, and the way it works, you can send messages to this system, all right, to do a couple of things. You got your plus, your power, your minus. This is control the actual levels. You got your vibrate mode, your tone, and then your shocked, all right? Vibrate, it's gonna do this. If you guys can see, tone, that's a warning. So once he knows about this, he's not gonna do, get off the leash or run or anything like that. This is pretty accurate for them. And then of course, we're gonna test it out. We have a tester here. We'll put a plastic in here. You're gonna see the light turn on, all right? As soon as I push the button, there it is. Light turns on again. We're gonna do it again. It turns on, a little message light right there. It's how much voltage you're actually sending, which is not a lot. It's more like a little pinch. But if you want to increase it, you can do it from here. You can increase level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it goes back to 1, all right? So you got 9 levels. Same with the tone, same with the vibrating mode, all right? You could change that. And of course, they give you this bungee cord, very strong, durable, and you can walk your dog with it and train them pretty good. So, sit. And there we have it. We walk him. He gets out of hand. I end up hitting him a couple of tones. Vibrate first. Tone. And I'm not gonna shock him. He's not doing any bad, but he pretty much, you can walk him side by side. Very simple to use it with him. And he's able to train himself. Very simple. So hope you guys enjoy the video.